Morning to all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to solve the programming in Python week 8 assignment 8 solution January April 2025, which last date is 6th April 2025. Now let's start, guys. You can see this is my credentials, okay? And now you will start. You can see here the assignment 8 2025 January 2025. You can get the 10 questions and we'll try to attempt the 10 question one by one. So let's start the first question here. What is a dictionary in Python? So you know a dictionary is a collection of a key values pair. Dictionary is a collection of a key values pair. See, a dictionary in Python is a built data structure that stores the data as a collection of a key value pair where each key is unique and mapped to a specific value introduced in week 8. That is your lecture. Introduction to dictionary and some mutables and unorders. Okay. So why we choose A option is the incorrect option, because dictionary are not inherently order. List or tuples are order collections. So option C is incorrect. Why? While keys must be unique, values can be duplicate. So this is not defining the characteristics. Option D is also incorrect, because dictionary doesn't focus on duplicate values. Their structure relies on the unique value. Only option B is the correct, because accurately defining a dictionary, that is a collection of a key values pair, which is option B. Now moving to the question number 2, which of the following is the correct syntax to create a dictionary? Correct syntax. This was not, and two options. This is a correct syntax. Okay. This is the correct syntax. That is dict equal to 1 in colons is to 1. That is 2 within the colon curly bracket. The colon is to 2. A dictionary is created using curly braces with a key values pairs separated by colons and a pair separated by commas. Keys and key values can be any of the data type, that but the syntax must be valid. Syntax must be valid. Why you choose A option is the incorrect option? Because this create a set, not a dictionary, that is missing key values pairing. Option B is also incorrect, because mix sets like a syntax with a colon causing a syntax error. Option C is also C is also a correct statement, because properly uses a string keys 1 and 2 map to integer value 1 and 2. But last option D is also incorrect, because contains a syntax error with multiple colons. Only one pair, that is colon per pair, is valid. That's why only option C is the right answer. Only option C is the right one. This one. Now moving to the question number 3. What will be the output of the following code? DICTA. Okay, this is the your questions. Now option B means answer is B. Option 3 option C is the right answer. 3 option C within the bracket B is the, you may choose the right answer. Okay, why you choose the right answer? Because see, the code create a dictionary, that is dict1 with the keys 1 2 3 map to the value 1 map to the value A, B and C respectively. The print dict2 access the value associated with the key 2, which is option B. So A, B and D, except B, A, B and D is incorrect, because these keys are not a value returned by the dictionary access. Only option C matches with the key value of 2. Okay, that's why the correct option would be option C, that is B. Now moving to the question number 4. Which of the following statement about the dictionary is true? Is true. That is, key must be unique. Key must be unique. In Python dictionary, keys must following some rules. That is, key must be immutable. That is string, integer, tuples, not mutable. That is list or dictionaries. Again, keys must be unique. Duplicate keys override previous values. Next, key can be different types, mix of integer or strings. Then next is, there is no limit on the number of keys, that is greater than equal to 5 is 11. Okay. Then A is incorrect. Why choose A is incorrect? Keys must be immutable, not mutable. B option C is also incorrect, because keys can be heterogeneous. Option D is also incorrect, because no such restrictions exist. Only option B is correct, because uniqueness is a core requirement. Understood? Uniqueness is a core requirement. So keys must be unique. For option B. Now, moving to the question number 5. What is the output of the following code? Okay, output of the following code. D A1 B2 C3 printed D. Okay, D not found, not found. Okay, type option C, type option C, answer will be the not found. See, why not found? Here you can see the get method retrieves the value for the key if exist. If not, it returns a default value. Second argument. Here D is not a key in D, so it returns the default not found. Why A is incorrect statement? Because get avoid the key error by using the default. Option B is also incorrect because none is returned only if no default is specified. Last option D is also incorrect because no 0 is involved. Only C option is correct, matches the provided default value. Matches the provided default value not found. That's why 5 option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 6, which method is used to get the maximum value key from a dictionary? Maximum value key from a dictionary. Max dict key equal to dict dot get. 6 option B. Okay, 6 option B. See why we choose 6 option B. To find the key with a maximum value, use max with a key function that is dict dot get, which retrieves the value for the keys. Why A is incorrect statement? Can you define what is why A is incorrect statement? Because A is incorrect because max did tries to compare dictionary object, raising a type error. Option C is also incorrect because max.did values returns the maximum value, not the key. It returns the maximum value, not the key. Also, D is also incorrect because max.did items compares tuples, keys with values, returning the item with the lexicography largest key values pair, not the max value keys. So option B is the only right answer because max.did key equal to dig.get iterates the keys and returns the keys with the highest value. That's why we choose option B is the most appropriate answer. Moving to the question number 7. Moving to the question number 7. What is the output of the following code? Dict 1, dict 2, print. What is the output of the following code? Output will be this one. This one. Okay. This one A is to 100, 2 is to 500 and 3 is to 300. 7 option A. Got it? 7 option A. Why choose 7 option A? See, the code updates the value associated with the key from 200 to 500. Dictionaries cannot have duplicate keys. Dictionary cannot have duplicate keys. So the value for the key 2 is overwritten. The output will be 1 is to 100, 2 is to 500, 3 is to 300. Okay, that is option A. That is option A. Got it? The explanations. Now, moving to the question number 8. What happens when you try to delete a non-existent key from a dictionary using del? What happens? What will happen? A key error is raised. That is, a key error is raised. Why? A key error is raised. Can you explain? Why a key error is raised? A key error is raised because the del statement removes a key value pair if the keys exist. If the key doesn't exist, the Python raises a key error value. Okay, we can see the lecture number 3 in week 8, lecture number 3, working with the dictionary. That is, if you choose option A, that is an incorrect statement because deletion fails for non-existence keys. Okay, if you choose option C, this is also incorrect because the dictionary doesn't change, but an error is raised. If you choose option D, it is also incorrect because no warning and expression is thrown. But only option B is the correct because matches the Python behavior. Okay, got it? Matches the Python behavior. That is a key error is raised. Moving to the question number 9. Which functions is used to return all the keys of a dictionary? Returns all the keys of a dictionary, that is dict dot keys. Dict dot keys. Option C. Dict dot keys method returns a views of all keys in the dictionary. What about option A? Option A, which is mentioned dict dot item, means returns the key value pairs. Option B is also incorrect because di dot values return values. Option D is also incorrect because dict dot get retrieves a single value by key. Only option C is correct because it specifically return the key. Specifically return the key. Okay, so dict dot keys function is used to return all the keys of a dictionary. Now, moving to the question number 10, what will be the output of the following code? Okay, employee 1, employee 2, then it is print emp1 equal to employee. It is a true statement. It is a true statement. 10 option A. 10 option A. True statement. Why true statement? The equal to operator compares, okay, dictionaries for the equality based on their key values pair. Both employee 1 and employee 2 have identical keys, that is employee ID, employee name, and values are 101, Rajiv. So they are equals. So A is correct because equality holds. Why A is correct? A is correct because equality holds. Why rest of the options are incorrect? Because in option B, you see only true if the contents differ. Option C is also incorrect because no syntax or runtime error. Option D is also incorrect because no numeric comparisons. So option A is correct because equality holds. That's why you choose option A. Got it? Now, moving to the submit buttons. Now we are going to submit the answer of these questions. Okay, guys. Once again, we have to verify before submitting. Question number 1, option B. Question number 2, option C. Okay, question number 3, option C. Question number 4, option B. Question number 5, option C. Question number 6, option B. Question number 7, option A. Okay, question number 7, option. Question number 8, option B. Question number 9, option C. Last question number 10 is also option A. Now I'm going to submit the answer. You can see, thank you for taking the assignment 8, January 2025. Your answers are successfully submitted. And guys, with explanations, I attempt all the 10 questions. Okay, now very soon we will try to produce the assignment 9 quiz answer videos in front of you. Until then, you have any questions, any comments, you can put your comments in my YouTube comment box. You are most welcome. Okay, any changes if arrived, I will definitely post on the my comment box so that you will be notified. So you can subscribe our channels. You can share this channel with your friends and colleagues so that the other people would get the knowledge of the programming in Python. Till then, I hope you must take care of yourself.